Over the past few days, I've been doing a lot of fun activities and I filmed some bits and pieces here and there, and I just compiled everything in this video. And I would like to share that with you because it's everything embracing the spirit of fall, autumn, especially going outside with the rain and it's wet, and things that I was inspired by, like a book, for example. I'll give more explanation after, but also just at home craft kind of activity. And I feel like I had to do like this part of the video after, just because while doing these things I wanted to really be present in the moment, so I didn't really film anything, but just to bring clarification I decided to do it now. So join me as I go on a short journey playing the tourist kind of in Paris, and just embracing and just, being part of something a little more different than I usually do. And I really did enjoy my time. So let's just jump right into it. Today's trip was inspired by The Lost Bookshop by Avie Wood's book. There was a specific passage that spoke to me and that said, you know what, I can go there. For Opaline, it was Paris 1921, if you will allow me just to read a few lines from this passage. I started early the next day, inquiring about jobs wherever I saw a sign that read Offre d'emploi. It rapidly became clear that no one wanted to hire a young English woman with no skills to speak of, broken French, and no experience of commerce. The naivety of my plan, or rather the lack of it, filled me with panic. I wandered the streets aimlessly, blindly hoping for a sign. I let myself be swept along by people who knew where they were going and crossed the Seine on the glorious Pont Neuf. I raised my eyes to the spires of the Notre Dame Cathedral, thinking of Esmeralda and Victor Hugo. I reached inside my satchel and rested my hand on the Baudelaire, even feeling the book under my fingertips calm me. I couldn't explain it, not even to myself, but books gave me an unflinching sense of stability and groundness. That because words survived, somehow I would too. As I walked the drizzle streets, feeling as though I were about to give up, I came across a bookshop called Shakespeare and Company. Shakespeare and Company is a very cute and small, but yet very filled with a lot of English books bookshop. I really enjoyed discovering it, and I did get a book entitled Unrivaled, a Beautiful Idols novel by Alison Noel, and I'm excited to read it. I bought this for €5, got a stamp on it, and also a bookmarker. And there you have it. That was my visit to Shakespeare and Co. Not sponsored by any way, shape, or form, but yeah, it was a nice visit. After that, I got a little hungry and needed to use the restroom, so I decided to check out this tea saloon that was like really immersive in their theme. They do change theme every season, so right now the theme is autumn and the next theme will be Christmas. Inside was really small but yet cozy, a lot of decorations, again not sponsored by this tea saloon. And I did get a dessert or a pastry, I don't know, called the Lorelei, I think. It was very good. And the tea was also good. I got something like with caramel hints and nuts, and it was very tasty. I did really enjoy my time there. If you are going in large groups, I suggest going to their website and reserve because the place is really small. If you are liking the video thus far, remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do to support me and support the channel so I can continue making videos like these. I really do enjoy making these type of videos, or just videos in general. For me, this serves as a memory, my life experience, and they're here on the channel. I can watch it back whenever and remember all the different things that I did. But also, What inspired me to do this video is the last one, the last video I did, which was like a fall guide bucket list type of video. You can go and watch it here. It's very long, 40 minutes, but I really did have fun doing all of that. And so I got inspired myself and be like, I gotta take the example. I gotta show these people, how to actually do it. So that's what I did. And I'm really glad that I did, because even though I live in France, I sometimes take thing for granted. Maybe I don't go out and explore every little thing. So I decided to play the tourist obviously that day, and I just went out. And obviously I was inspired by the book, to which I read the passage for you guys, and I said, you know what, let me go check it out. And it was really cool to just kind of be like the character and be like, okay, I'm walking. This was the area that she walked in, but like all the way in 1921 instead of now in 2024, which is really strange. And things must have been really different for her as it is for me, but it was really a cool and fun thing to do. Now, for the second part, I did do it on a Saturday. At a Saturday, I usually like to go to the market just to get food. And then in the afternoon, I did a little activity. For the market, I like to visit a booth called Bananil, where you get basically different types of food, all inspired by Caribbean dishes. You can get colombo, if it's like chicken and curry. You can get all different types of food, like akra also. You can get this that I actually got, which is like a bouquet. If you know, it's basically like a sandwich. It's like a Johnny cake filled with meat, any kind of meat that you want. You could do ham, cheese, chicken. You can get it peppery or not with lettuce and tomato. It is super delicious. Again, I'll put their website also down in the description box so you can go and check them out. They do move around a little bit, so it would depend on your location and on the day. You will be able to probably go and check them out. And then for the afternoon, after I ate, I finally decided to tackle this craft. I don't know if I should call it craft, but I showed this multiple times on the channel, that I bought this porcelain. I want to say porcelain, but it's not porcelain. It's like pottery by Action. It's Halloween, with the little pumpkins and stuff, and it comes with the paint and the brush also. So all you need is a cup with water. I technically thought I was going to use this for like a date night or something like that with my boyfriend, but he decided to play game, and I just decided, you know what, to do it on my own because I couldn't wait. I was excited to do it, and I really, really enjoyed how it turned out. So it was just a quiet time, me, myself. If you want, you can immerse yourself a little more with putting in like music in the background, or even putting something to watch, have snacks. Again, a fun activity to do at home with friends, family, or just by yourself. this point, I was skeptical of how it was going to turn out, but in the end, it was really good, especially when the lights come on. It's just the bomb. That's all I did so far. I'm trying to do more videos like these going out. There's a farm I kind of want to go and visit, but it has been raining. And one of my friends have reminded me because it's raining so much that the place might be wet and muddy and just disgusting. And I don't have proper shoes for that. So I might wait until it has a very nice sunny day to try and do that. But let me know if you like when I travel out and just try to show you guys some more places of like nearby activities, things in France and Paris, all of those type of things. I really like doing these type of videos because it forces me to go outside and kind of just be in nature and just be out and instead of the house. But for right now, I'm really excited because it's almost the 1st of October, so I'm gonna decorate for Halloween. I wanted to say autumn, but I'm gonna take down the autumn decor and I put up some Halloween decor, and I'm just struggling with whether I wanted to make it like spooky or like cute spooky. Comment down below which one you are, if you are more cute spooky or just spooky scary. And also comment if you have any places that you want me to visit in France or Paris. I will try to put that on my list if I have the money and the time to do so, or what kind of activities you have done so far for autumn, fall, or even Halloween. Thank you for watching so far, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.